This week I'm testing the Volvo C40 Recharge. This is a 5-seater fully electric car. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Volvo C40, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I found I could fit 2 Infosecure child seats really nicely in the back here in the outer seats. I have got the Achieve More and the Attain More installed in here. Now that's a really nice, comfy, spacious fit. Now I found if I move those right to the edge of the seat base, I could just fit a versatile folding booster seat in that central seat occasionally when I needed to, although accessing the buckle is quite tricky, so it might not be an everyday solution. Now if you've got rear-facing child seats installed back here, we could fit about a 174 centimetre driver in front fit, or with forward-facing child seats in the back, we could fit about a 186 centimetre driver or passenger in the front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage is very minimal in the back of the Volvo C40. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats, but they're net, so they will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins in the back are small. They'll only hold a 600ml water bottle. There are some little space savers down the side of the seats, and we found that was the best place for our kids to put their water bottles. There are aircon vents in the back of the Volvo C40, which are fantastic for keeping passengers in the back nice and cool while you're driving along. Storage in the front is a bit better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In the front passenger footwell, there's a little shelf for their phone. In front of them is a phone charging pad with a bit of storage either side, good for popping your sunglasses. Behind the cup holders, there is a removable bin, and behind that is the central console box, which isn't a bad size. And the glove box isn't a bad size in the front here. That will hold my wallet with the manual. And the door bins are better in the front. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad. And there's the little storage handle wells too. All the door bins have carpet lining, which is fantastic to stop things rattling around while you're driving along. The boot door of the Volvo C40 opens and closes electronically, which is great. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Volvo C40. Empty will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 1 shopping bag, a tandem pram of 5 shopping bags, a single pram of 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller of 9 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Volvo C40 is really nice and easy to charge, and we found it does about 350 kilometres to a full battery. The Volvo C40 Recharge is a fantastic car to drive. Because it's electric, it's got that instant acceleration, which I really enjoy, and it's great at its roundabouts and turnings. Now, being electric, you've got all those wonderful benefits like driving your kids to sleep without churning through fuel, doing the school run, all those kind of mundane tasks without churning through fuel, which is fantastic. Now, visibility is really poor out of the back of this car, and it's even worse if you have child seats installed. So you do really heavily rely on your mirrors and that reversing camera. Now the turning circle is really nice and small in here, which is fantastic. Makes school and supermarket car parks really nice and easy. It's a really smooth and quiet drive, and it's really, really enjoyable. The media system in the Volvo C40 is really lovely and easy to use and to navigate. Now it does have a Google Maps, which is fantastic. You can put apps in here like Spotify, and it has Apple CarPlay as well, which is great. Now it's got a fantastic range screen which tells you exactly how many kilometers of range you've got left. You've also got range optimizer which tells you kind of the style of driving and the aircon. If you change those, then you'll get more Ks for your battery range. Now you do control the aircon and the climate through this screen too, which is nice and easy, and you can turn your heated seats and steering wheel on as well. Now when I put it into reverse, that camera image is just too small. Given that the visibility is really poor out of the back, just find that's not enough. Now you can do things like turn the camera on and off using the button here and the parking sensors and the rear auto brake as well. So to sum up with the Volvo C40 Recharge, it is a fantastic baby drive. You can fit 2 InfoSecure child seats nicely in the back with a versatile folding booster seat in the middle if you need to. The boot space is really good. It will fit a twin or double pram. The drive is fantastic and the range of about 350 kilometres is practical for our weekly school drop-offs and things like that. The media system is fantastic. The cameras do let it down a little bit for me.